To set up port forwarding on an Xfinity gateway, start by using a device connected to your home network and enter 10.0.0.1 into your browser to log into the admin tool. From there, click the Advanced menu on the left side of your screen and select Port Forwarding. Then click Enable. Next, select Add Service, which will take you to a new page. In this page, you can open the Common Service drop-down menu to select a service such as PPPTP, AIM, HTTP, or FTP. This will automatically populate the port numbers. If the service you want is not listed, you can select Other and enter the name of the service, as well as the start and end ports, and choose the service type, either TCP or UDP. After that, click the Connected Device button and select the device on your network, which will populate the field for the IPv4 or IPv6 address. If the Connected Device button is not visible, you may need to log into the admin tool in a new browser window. Go to Connected Devices. Choose the device you want to port forward, copy its IP address, and then paste it into the required field in the previous browser window. Finally, click Save to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully set up port forwarding on your Xfinity gateway.